calculate the mole fraction of benzene in solution containing 30% by mass in CCl4. CCl4 means carbon tetrachloride. For doing this question, you must know this point. If mass is given in percentage, then we can take total mass as 100. Also, you must know these equations, okay? Mole fraction of a particular component is equal to number of moles of that component by total number of moles. Okay, for example, chi B is Nb by Na plus Nb. Chi A is Na by Na plus Nb. Okay, and if you add the mole fractions, you are getting what? 1. Okay, and number of moles is equal to what? Mass by molar mass. If you know this point and these equations, this question is very, very easy. Regarding benzene, what is the mass? It is given in the question, right? 30%. You can take it as 30 gram, right? Now, what is the molar mass? Molar mass, see, this is the formula, right? So, 6 times, what is the atomic mass of carbon? 12, right? Now, 6 times, what is atomic mass of hydrogen? 1, correct? So, what you are getting? You are getting 78 gram. Now, use this equation to find the number of moles. Number of moles is equal to mass by molar mass. So, what is that? 30 by 78. So, what you are getting? You will be getting like 0.385. 0.385. Regarding carbon tetrachloride, what is the mass? See, total mass is 100. Mass of benzene is 30. So, definitely mass of CCl4 will be 100 minus 30, that is 70. Now, what is molar mass? Regarding molar mass for carbon, atomic mass is 12. Only one carbon is there. And regarding chlorine, it is what? 35.5. But 4 chlorine is there, right? 4 chlorine is there. So 4 times 35.5. On calculating, you will be getting 154. Now what is number of moles? Number of moles is mass by 70 by molar mass 154. So what is the answer? Answer is, on calculating, you will be getting 0.455. For making the calculation easy, see, I am putting Nb for number of moles of benzene and Na for number of moles of CCl4. Now, what is the equation for mole fraction? Chi B is equal to, here we have the equation, right? Nb by Na plus Nb. What is Nb? 0.385, right? And what is Na? 0.455 plus 0.385, right? On calculating, you will be getting like 0.458. And remember, mole fraction does not have any unit, okay? The question is about mole fraction of benzene and we already find it, 0.458. Remember, mole fraction does not have any unit because it's a ratio.